Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Lee, aka Rollin Thunder, and in tonight's video we are taking a night ride through South London and Surrey. So sit back, relax, grab yourselves a cup of tea, and let's get stuck into the video. So ladies and gents, how are we all doing? I hope you're doing well. And as the title of the video suggests, we are taking a leisurely cruise through South London and Surrey on my way home. I will apologise in advance if there's not a lot of talking going on, because as you can imagine, at this time of evening we have to deal with a lot of dubious drivers and retarded riders. So if I do go quiet for a little while, I do apologise. But without further ado, let us enjoy the lovely sounds of the cross-plane crank R1. I will also apologise that unfortunately I've got to ride with the visor open yet again, because I haven't got my clear visor with me. So I do apologise about any excessive wind noise. I am trying to figure a way how to alleviate that to a degree, with very little success, I'll be honest. But it's all part of the fun. The sights, the sounds, the noises, the pops, the bangs, the burbles, everything that makes the R1 what she is. And I'm bringing you guys along to experience it as well. We will be going through places that we go through on a regular basis on my Motovlogs. So as you can appreciate, I will be doing more talking there than when I have to focus on what's going on around me. For example, these twisties, normally I would love to go hell for leather around them, but unfortunately I cannot, thanks to the fact that I've got a van in front of me and a car that wants to turn right, apparently. Oi bruv, you can't park that there. Oh, those pops and bangs, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, what can I say, ladies and gentlemen, I'm really am falling in love with the R1. Okay, fine, she's no Ducati, okay, she's no V-twin, but she is more than capable of putting a smile on my face and a lump in my trousers. But listen to the burble of the cross-plane crank motor, ladies and gents. Oh, so good. She sounds so good, listen. Oh, sends shivers down my spine. I mean, it's unfortunate I have to wear earplugs thanks to being partially deaf due to the 1098 and listening to loud music for way longer than I should have done as a teenager. But what can I say? The R1, it just, you know, it does something to me, do you know what I mean? I mean, the Ducati does as well, usually makes me fucking bankrupt, but do you know what I mean? I loves both of them. And I know people are going to say I'm mad for having two bikes, especially two super bikes, but you know what? You know, it's my life, it's my money, I'll live however I feel, do you know what I mean? If I can afford it, then why the fuck won't I do it? You know, I would never knowingly put myself in a financial position that I could not get myself out of. Okay, yes, I am spending over £150 a month to keep the R1 insured, taxed, MOT'd and whatever else, but I wouldn't have it any other way. Or should I say, I wouldn't have the situation any other way. And I'm so glad I went around that corner slowly, because there was a police car right in front of me. We will shortly be approaching St George's Hospital, which is the hospital that actually saved my mum's life quite a few years ago when she had a brain hemorrhage. And to that hospital and the nurses that looked after her, you know, I'm eternally indebted and thankful for. Because let's face it, nurses, doctors, paramedics in this country do not get paid what they deserve. I mean, fuck me, bus drivers get over £35,000 a year and they want more. It's like, how fucking greedy are you people? But, you know, it is what it is. There's not a lot you can do. Greed, unfortunately, is in the human nature. going on around there, but fucking car drivers, just wow. That's all I can say, fucking wow. Absolute fucking menace, I swear to God. But again, it's South London, what do you expect? There's far more mopeds in and around South London, Central London, as you can appreciate, thanks to companies such as Deliveroo, Uber Eats, Just Eat, and so on. But, you know, what can you do? Everyone's got to make a living in this world. Whether in a good way or a bad way, or just generally acting like a dickhead way, it is what it is. This is why I like working in retail. Because in retail, I don't have to ride or drive anywhere. Just go about my business. Doing my own thing. And pray no assholes get in my way. Wow. Car drivers in South London, ladies and gentlemen, just fucking wow. Wow, oh fucking wow. But this makes a nice change, getting through these lights without any issue. Normally I get stuck at them every day. What is that weird noise? Fucking bike's howling like a banshee. Not that I mind, of course. I'm thinking that's just a wind thing. Oh, the smell come out of that back of that lorry. You should count yourselves lucky that I don't have smell-o-vision. My fucking God, it stinks. Saw a gap and fucking took it. Oh, I love the fucking bangs. I love it. I must get a camera on the back of this so I can see whether or not these pops and bangs actually manifest on film. So it would be nice to see them. I'm pretty sure I must get some sort of pops and bangs or a little bit of flame or something. I just wish I could see them. Like I say, it would be nice, but it's not the end of the world. Oh wow, made it through these lights as well. What's going on tonight? She's living up to her name tonight. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love the big bang. I love it. Oh, I don't know what's going on there. Oh, baby. Be still my beating heart. Come on. Sorry about the shouting, ladies and gents, but I'm fucking enjoying myself. Oh, if only this had traction control. But then again, every bike I've owned hasn't had traction control. No, I lie. I lie. The 848 Evo Corsa SE that I had for a very brief time had traction control. But because I was so used to not having it, I turned it off. Those little pops and bangs and burbles. Oh, I love it. I fucking love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. If only I knew how to wheelie. If only. Which unfortunately I don't. Time and the place, and this is the place and the time. Oh, baby! Oh! My God! It's orgasmic! I never thought I'd say that about a bike, but there you go. I love it, I love it, I love it! God damn! So, ladies and gents, how did you enjoy that brisk ride through South London? I hope you enjoyed it. I didn't shout too much, and you were able to enjoy the sweeping roads just like I was. And thank you to all the people that have been sticking around since the beginning. If you aren't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. It would be great to have you on board. And if you are already subscribed, don't forget to smash the like button and ring the bell so you're kept up to date with all new content when it drops. And as always, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you guys have been absolutely fucking awesome as always. I have been Lee, aka Rollin Thunder, saying look after yourselves, look after each other. Stay safe on the road, be aware of COVID-19, be safe, be happy, and as always, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, adios!